shallow water. So even though it sinks, it's not far out in the middle of the marina. Crazy rich Russians had trouble holding onto their million-dollar yachts long before the 2022 sanctions. Of course, most of them are rich enough to buy 3 more in August of 2012. One unlucky Russian millionaire just wanted to spend some time on their luxury. The Universe and crane operator had other plans. The multi-million-dollar yacht hangs over the canal, and things don't look too good from the start. Unfortunately, there isn't any audio, but you don't need any sound to grasp what happens next. The boat leans awkwardly before the crane gives way, and the yacht nose dives into the water. To make matters worse, the yacht lands upside down, doing untold damage to the interior and main deck. The story first appeared in Bloomberg in 2012, but the article has since been deleted. You'd think such a massive mistake would warrant more coverage, but who knows? Maybe somebody didn't want the story getting out on January 28th of 2022. A fishing boat in Patani, Thailand needed some repairs. 2 cranes arrived to pull the boat out of the water. One crane was supposed to support the bow, while the other held the stern. As both cranes lifted the vessel out of the water, the cables holding the stern broke, leaving one crane to support the ship's weight. Spoiler alert, it was too heavy. The cranes almost have the fishing boat onto the dock. When the cables finally snap, the rear crane whips backward, while the other starts falling toward the water. Our crane operator leaps from the cockpit at the absolute last second and lands hard on the dock. He crawls to safety as his crane plummets into the sea. Later, we get a close-up view of the wreckage. These guys are probably thinking we're going to need a bigger crane. According to reports, the crane operator broke his leg when he jumped from the cockpit. They brought him to the hospital, where he was apparently in good spirits. The company covered his medical expenses as they should, and he got a death-defying story to tell. On September 29th of 2011, a luxury Chinese yacht called the SS Zhugong prepared for its maiden voyage. The vessel cost about $2.7 million and was probably the most luxurious thing in this small Chinese village on the banks of the Yellow River. Workers positioned the boat on launching AI.
Wow.